I have the AirPods Max, and I'll be showing you how to turn on active noise cancelling. So there are actually two ways of doing it. One is to pick up the phone that's connected to your AirPods and then go to settings. Okay, go to settings, and then under settings, select your AirPods Max, and then you should see under noise control, noise cancellation. So you can tap on that to enable noise cancelling, but of course the headphones need to be put on. Okay, so I'm just gonna wear mine, and with the headphones on my head, I can now tap on that, and that's going to turn on active noise cancellation, which basically cancels out all the noise around you. Now the other thing you can do to enable active noise cancelling is to press on this button on the right ear cap. Okay, so you can see the digital crown, and then there's this button. Now this button is going to help you toggle between transparency and noise cancelling. So you press it once, it toggles between the two options. So once again, this only works with the headphones on your head. So I'm just going to put them on, and now if I press once, you can see it goes to transparency mode, and if I press again, it goes to active noise cancelling. So press again, transparency, press again, noise cancellation. So those are the two ways of turning on active noise cancelling on the AirPods Max. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.